found the game changer on the ultimate camera mount and camera to put on your Harley. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, it's John here in the Crude Oil Garage. Hey, I haven't posted anything for a long time. Just been super busy with stuff, and as you can see in the background, I'm actually here in Arizona, but found the game changer on the ultimate camera mount and camera to put on your Harley, and it's right here. This thing is the Insta360 X3, and on the selfie stick, but that's not even the good part. Not yet. It is right here. This is your seat bolt. It actually has a 1/4-20 screw on it, which goes into your seat here, but then it has a double end, and I'll take it out here in a second and show you. So here it is. Here is the 1/4-20 I was telling y'all about. This literally, that's all it is. Get these on Amazon for like a couple bucks. Has the 1/4-20 thread on each side, which is perfect for which is your standard camera tripod mount, whatever. But it's the exact same thread pattern that goes into your seat bolt. So I just use that right there as my seat bolt and my camera mount. Super inconspicuous. Doesn't look like anything out of the ordinary unless you really know what you're looking at. And just throw that selfie stick on it like I showed you earlier. The X3, super stable, super stable. So you'll see the footage here in a minute, but and then I'll show you the again the bolt. Again, your selfie stick just kind of screws right onto there, and it's a game changer. Just screws on just like that. Check that out. Selfie stick, and then just extend it as you wish. And if you got an extended one, like a 10-footer, I do, so it kind of looks kind of goofy, but it actually gets the job done. I think it's awesome. Hope you guys enjoy. You know the drill. Hit the buttons accordingly. Talk to you in a bit.